大家好 Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 我叫微微 My name is Wei Wei, and today we're talking about the Chinese New Year and 10 cheerful phrases that you can use with your Chinese-speaking friends. So let's get started with some background information on Chinese New Year. So, the Chinese New Year is also called the Lunar New Year, and it's celebrated all over East Asia. In China, it's the most important holiday of the year, and it's also known as the Spring Festival, which is called 春节. 春 means spring, 节 means festival, 春节. And the Chinese New Year traditionally is celebrated for 14 days, and it's preceded by a New Year's Eve feast, which we call 年夜饭. 年 means year, 夜 means night, 饭 means food, 年夜饭. And for 年夜饭, we often make many dishes, such as dumplings, sticky rice balls, whole fish, etc. After celebrating the New Year for 14 days, we have another holiday coming up called the Lantern Festival, which in Chinese is called 元宵节. 元宵 is the food that we traditionally eat for Lantern Festival, sticky rice balls. 节 means holiday. 元宵节. Besides feasting, people celebrate Chinese New Year by visiting their friends and family, and they often launch fireworks, and adults usually give children red envelopes, which in Chinese we call them 红包, which literally means red bag, 红包. So this year, the year of 2023, it's the year of the rabbit, 兔年. 兔 means rabbit, 年 means year. 兔年. So before we learn all the cheerful phrases, there's something that you can say to preface all these well wishes, and it is 我祝你, 我祝你. So let's break it down. 我 means I or me. 祝 means to wish, to congratulate. 祝. 你 means you, the singular you. If you want to wish a group of people, you could say 你们. 你们 is the plural form of you. And if you want to be extra respectful towards somebody, you could say 您. 您. So 我祝你 is to wish a single person. 我祝你们 is to wish a group of people. 我祝您 would be to wish a single person who you want to show respect towards. So our first phrase is the good old Happy New Year. 新年快乐. 新年快乐. So 新年 means new year. 新 means new. 年 means year. 新年. 快乐 means happy. 快 by itself means fast. 乐 by itself means joyful. But 快乐 together means happy. So 新年快乐 means Happy New Year. You might know other phrases that end in 快乐, such as Happy Birthday, 生日快乐. And there's also an easier way to say Happy New Year. You can simply just say 新年好, 好, which means good or well, instead of 快乐. So to wish somebody a Happy New Year, 我祝你新年快乐, or just 新年快乐. Okay, the next phrase is 兔年大吉. 兔年大吉. And that's especially relevant to this year because this year is the year of the rabbit. So 兔 by itself means rabbit. 年 means year. 大 means big. 吉 means auspicious. But you can translate the whole phrase as have an auspicious year of the rabbit. 兔年大吉. And for other years, you can swap out 兔 for other animals. So next year will be the year of the dragon, and you could say 龙年大吉. Since having good health is key to enjoying your life, let's wish somebody good health, which in Chinese is 身体健康. 身体健康. So 身体 by itself means body or health. 身体. 健康 means healthy. 健康. For example, you could say 我很健康, I'm very healthy. So together, 身体健康 literally means body is healthy, but that's how you can wish somebody good health. 我祝你身体健康. I wish you good health. Before we move on to the next phrase, if you find this content useful, please subscribe, and you can check out the description box for more ways to support the channel. 谢谢. Thank you. 下一个 next one. So this is another very good phrase to say to somebody, I hope all your wishes come true, which is 万事如意. 万事如意. So 1 is the number 10,000. 1. If you would like to learn more about numbers, check out my lesson on numbers. 事 means thing, specifically things to do. 事如意 by itself means to go one's way. 如意. So 万事如意 literally means 10,000 things go your way, which you can translate as everything goes your way. 万事如意. I hope all your wishes come true. 我祝你万事如意. Here's another way to wish somebody that all their wishes would come true. 心想事成. One more time. 心想事成. So 心 means heart. 心. 想. 想 by itself has many different meanings. It could mean to think, or to miss somebody, or to want to do something. And here it means to think. So 心想, when your heart thinks of something. 事, we've seen it in a previous phrase. It means things to do. 成 means to succeed. So 事成 means to have the thing succeed. You can translate it literally into whatever your heart desires, it will be successful. 心想事成. 很好, very good. Let's look at another one. 一帆风顺. 一帆风顺. That means smooth sailing. So 一 is the number 1. Some of you guys might be familiar with it already. 帆 means sail, like as in a sailboat. 风 means wind. 风. 顺 means smooth. 顺. So it literally means one sail goes very smoothly with the wind. 一帆风顺. 一帆风顺. So you could say, 我祝你一帆风顺. Having a happy family is important to a lot of people, and that's why this phrase is also really important. 家庭幸福. 家庭幸福. So 家庭 means family. You might know the word 家 already. 家 by itself also means home or family. 家庭 is just a more complete way of saying that. 家庭. 幸福 means happy. 幸福. For example, 我很幸福. That means I'm very happy. 你幸福吗? Are you happy? So together this phrase is 家庭幸福, which literally means family happy. But that's how you can wish somebody a happy family. 我祝你家庭幸福. I wish you a happy family. Be able to prosper in life and have a lot of wealth is very important to a lot of Chinese people. So we have this phrase, 恭喜发财. 恭喜发财. This might be one of the most iconic phrases to wish somebody on the new year, so you might have heard it before. 恭喜 by itself means congratulations, or the verb to congratulate. For example, 我恭喜你, it means I congratulate you. 恭喜. And then 发财 means to make a fortune. 发财. The C in 财 is the same sound as the Z sound in pizza. 财. So 恭喜发财. Now, having a successful career is very important to a lot of us. So if you want to wish somebody to be successful at their work, this is how you say it. 事业有成. One more time. 事业有成。事业 means career. Remember 事 means things to do. We've seen it in 万事如意, 10,000 things go your way, or 心想事成. Whatever your heart desires, it'll be successful. Here, 事业 means career. 有 means to have. 成 here means success. So 事业有成 means to be successful at your career. 我祝你事业有成. I wish you a successful career. For those of your friends and family that are still at school, you can wish them to be successful at school. 学业有成. 学业有成. So it's very similar to be successful at work. The only difference is instead of 事业, we say 学业. Now you might know 学 means to learn or to study. For example, 我学中文, I'm learning Chinese. So 学业 means studies. 学业有成, be successful at school. 我祝你学业有成. So I hope you find these phrases helpful. With all these phrases, I hope you can at least find one to say to one of your Chinese-speaking friends next time you run into them. In this new year, 我祝你身体健康 good health, 一帆风顺 smooth sailing, 家庭幸福 a happy family, 恭喜发财 good fortune and prosperity, 新年快乐 and a happy new year. 谢谢你 Thank you so much for watching this video. 再见 See you in our next video.